In this video, we are going to build this beautiful responsive website using HTML and CSS to build a real-world website just like this. Even if you know some basic stuffs of HTML and CSS, it's more than enough to build this kind of responsive website. Open my favorite text editor, VS Code from Microsoft, in which I'm opening my project folder called website. In this website, I have my images and a resource text file in which I have icons, fonts, and colors which I'm going to use inside my website. I'll press Shift 1 and press Enter. This will create a default template for us. In tile, changes this to a store. Code we need to understand how to design it. Let's take a look. Always consider the HTML element as a box container. So this will be a super easy to build any kind of website by thinking it as the box container. This entire thing is in a header section. In the header section, we have the navigation bar. In the header content, we have header info and header image. Header section. In header section, we have navbar, navbar, and this navbar we have brand. To this one, we have URL dot nav links. Inside this, we have list with a anchor tag. Called home. Let's copy and paste this for 5 times. This is for all products. This is about us. This is contact us. And here we are pasting image of card. Now let's take a look at this. Inside the brand, we need to add an image. Image.src is equal to, which is inside the photo, and the logo.png. Now let's take a look at this. Yes, our header section. In our header section, the navbar is almost complete. Now we have to code for the header content. This is header for header content. Dot header. Inside the header content, we have header info and we have header image. Now let's see what's it's there in our header info. Header info, we have one line. This is our h3 tag and this is our h1 tag, one paragraph tag called p tag, and button. Let's code this. In our header info, we have h1 tag. Before this, we have called line. H1 tag, we have h3 tag, and we have p tag, and we have a button. We have button with a class name CTA. Let's write a content inside this tags. And first, h3 tag, we have a content called First, we need to write HT tag. Best quality products. In our H1 tag, we have the world's most beautiful affordable clothes. In our paragraph tag, we are seeing lorem into 5. This will give us a default text of lorem where it does not have any meaning with it. And this button we have get started content. And here we have one arrow mark. For this arrow mark, in our resource file, we have some code for this. Let's copy and paste that. This is a number for the arrow mark. Now let's run our code. Yes, see here, we got this arrow mark. Now we need to add the image for this content. Here we are writing image tag SRCs which has name called. Inside the photo we have main.png. Main.png. Yes, we got our website using HTML. Now we need to style this page so that this will look exactly the page which I showed you before. Element as a default margin and padding, so we need to remove this by using CSS universal element. In our CSS file, we need to create a universal selector. We need to write the universal selector and remove the margin with 0 and padding, box sizing, the box border. Properties to the HTML tag, we need to link it using the link tag, that too inside our X section. Link array and is equals to this. We have to write style sheet of href. We have to write here our CSS file name called SVCE style.css. Now we can see here our margin and padding will be applied to our HTML element or HTML file. As see, every margin and padding has been removed and it has been moved towards leftwards. In our upcoming video, I'll be telling you that how to style this web page using CSS.